In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to transfer your FaceTime from iPhone to iPad. So if you want to transfer, then guys, what you have to do? So unlock your iPad and tap the notification at the top of your screen that suggests moving the call to your iPad. So basically, first start with your phone. Like if you are on a call, guys, on your iPhone, then just tap on the notification at the top of your screen and that suggests moving the call to your iPad, and then tap the switch button to confirm. So before you begin, ensure the iPhone and iPad are running compatible iOS version and are signed to the same Apple ID and have handoff and Wi-Fi enabled. So yep, this is how basically you can do it. So if you are on call or on your iPhone, then you can switch easily guys from iPhone to iPad or MacBook as well. Subscribe for more videos guys. Till then, bye bye.